Someone please explain this to me, right? I was flying around with my elytra, and then once I released a firework, it didn't work. And now I see a firework just chilling. I just see a firework just chilling. Like, what? Minecraft, what's wrong? What happened? Like, I literally just see an arrow just chilling there. But, yeah, this is my world that I build a Nintendo Switch in. It's a really laggy world, so sorry if it's laggy. Come on. Alright, so, see, it's laggy. This is my road. This is the house I built. This is the giant statue. That's the pit of quicksand. This is my house with a PC and a TV and a kitchen. This is no mods, by the way. I'm not using mods. I'm just using building tricks. But yeah, saw a really weird bug. I saw a really weird bug in Minecraft today. And it's still just chilling there. Why is the arrow just chilling there? What on earth? But yeah, that's it for this video. If you did enjoy, smash the like button, consider subscribing, and yeah, love